can you create me a CFPB complaint so I can submit everything that happened online? All right. And then from there, basically what's going to happen is what happened. So it's going to break down everything that happened. We're going to copy everything that happened, right? So on file this complaint under the Fair Credit Reporting Act regarding the inaccurate and inconsistent reporting of the specific account and the failure of both Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax to conduct a reasonable investigation as required by law. Here's everything, the timeline that everything happened, conflicting account status, all right, inconsistent date of last active, basically violates this law, high balance with this is going on, with this is going on. It basically break down everything that you need as well to help you remove this account from your credit report, all right? And then from there, what's going to be a fair resolution permanently, these two things, all right? So what would be a fair resolution for this issue? Permanent deletion of this trade line from all three credit bureaus, written confirmation that all inaccurate dates has been removed from my report, all right? No, there's just permanent deletion of this account. So that's what you want to have. And then you're attached the documents that you sent to Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. All right. Then you're going to click on next, of course. And then you're going to look up the company's name, Experian Information Solutions. So you're going to click on social. You're going to click on name as it appears on your credit report. You're going to click on date of birth. You want to complain with another company? Yes. All right. You're going to look up now Equifax. All right. And then have you try to fix this company? Do you want to request information from this company? Yes. Information did you request? You requested them to conduct an investigation. You're going to click on no. And then you go your social, name as it appears, date of birth. You're going to fill that out. You want to complain with another company? Yes. And then we're going to look up TransUnion. All right. Have you already tried? Yes. Did it request? Yes. All right. Did you request information from the company? Yes. What information did you request? Did they provide you with information? Remember, you request for them to investigate the completeness and accuracy according to this law and this law and this law. We need this information. You're going to click on this, click on this, click on this. Then you're going to click on next. All right. That's going to be very important. Once you click on next, you're going to fill everything out and then you're going to wait. Experian, TransUnion, Equifax have 15 days to respond back to the CFPB. Okay. So continue checking your portal to see what actually happened. And then from there, let's continue talking about once you get all these accounts removed from your credit report, is now once you get everything, once you get accounts removed from your credit report, remember, you don't have to have all three credit scores to be perfect. You just need to get one of your credit score to be perfect, right? So there are banks that only pull from TransUnion. There are banks that only pull from Equifax. There are banks that only pull from Experian. So once you get one of your credit scores good enough, then you can get access to funding. And what we're going to do is leverage the funding to invest into income producing assets, right? That's what we're going to leverage. That's what we're going to leverage. Well, if you're going to leverage your credit score for something else, of course, if you're going to try to buy a house, of course, that's totally different. For now, we're talking about income producing assets, okay? So Experian, here are some banks. You can take a screenshot of this, or you can always come back to this. First Tech, United Nations, American Heritage, Amex, Bank of America, PNC, all right, PSECU, NASA Federal Credit Union. These are banks that specifically only pulls from Experian, okay? So if you get, and we're talking about getting access to $100,000, and once you get one of your credit scores good enough, some of these banks are going to give you $5, $10, $15, $20,000 in credit, all right? And we're going to leverage that to, like I said before, to invest into income producing assets. Here's TransUnion, I got you, all right? Here's TransUnion, okay? Here goes, so here's TransUnion, and here are some of the banks that only pull from, here's some of the banks that only pull from TransUnion, okay? So make sure you screenshot this or come back and rewatch this part over. And then Equifax, here are some banks that only pull from Equifax. So as you can see, you got all the specific banks, and you can leverage this as well to help increase your, you can leverage this so you can get access to funding. If you want to get an unfair advantage against Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, you need to grab my free secret letter. It's going to help you knock the credit bureaus out. It's going to force Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax to do a thorough investigation to help you knock them out. So make sure you go grab that free secret letter. Go to freesecretletter.com and go get it. And the link is going to be pinned to the comments and pinned to the description. I got you.